Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show how to reset your entire network in Windows 10 and Windows 11 and start from scratch. The first step is go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter in this icon. Go to network and internet, one click. Scroll down and select network reset, one click, and select this option. Click on this button, reset now. This will remove and then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You may need to reinstall the networking software afterwards. One click and click on yes to confirm, and wait a moment. Close this pop-up, click on close, and to apply the change, restart your computer manually. Go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart and wait a moment. Login in your desktop. And clicking this option. Do you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by another PC and device on this network? Click on no. And your network works properly. You can try open up any web browser and search for YouTube, and one click and works properly. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.